Welcome back, Dawn Hunters. Today we are diving into the heart of Thai island culture on Koh Yao Noi. We've been bouncing from one tropical gem to another, testing out all the shiny new upgrades on our catamaran. And so far, nothing's falling apart. But not everything is a smooth sailing here. We are dangerously low on water, and we don't know if our water maker will even work. Without water, our journey can... It's over! Without water, our journey is over! No water, no life! Woo! But now, it's time to take a break from the water and immerse ourselves in a real local experience. We're about to sit down for an authentic Thai lunch with the island's locals. And we're trying everything. And trust me, this is as real as it gets. Oh, and did I mention we also had a real snake visit our boat? Yeah, just another day in paradise. Let's see what the rest of the day brings.
Break your chains off.
Before any kind of fun begin, we have to do boring stuff. Cleaning the sides of the boat. You're dirty too.
We got all kinds of brown stuff on the side of the boat, so we're gonna have to go remove it the old-fashioned way. Wax on, wax off. It's on the boat, not on us. Never get in the water around your boat. Current sometimes goes from nothing to a bunch, and you don't want to be out there spending the night in the cave when your husband's over here enjoying shrimp on the barbie.
Woo! Ready to clean!
We had our steel boat, I didn't clean it once. This boat has to continually look pretty. Maybe coconut came to help.
I got new system here, ready? One more time! Look how clean! And here you thought that the boat life was amazing.
Are you cleaning or are you just riding along the side of the boat?
It's done!
John, you've been in there for 5 minutes.
Good workers work fast!
Inside.
Inside? Oh my gosh, I'm not complaining. I don't like water that much. I can take any chore other than the water one.
When it's inside the boat, she says, I can take any chore as long as it's not inside the boat. We're getting really, really small on chores.
What kind of portrait you're portraying here, mister? Don't listen to him. That's all lies and deceit. He's trying to build a wrong image for you guys. Anywhere else?
That's it.
Do you want to get clean too?
Maybe. Our bottom's pretty dirty.
Wait, I'm going ashore. Are you ready?
We are so ready. Look at this water. Beautiful day to go ashore. Shit, there's a snake on the side of our boat. Look, look.
Yeah, he's trying to get in. No! Oh my gosh. He's so little, but I don't know, is he poisonous? He has this little stripe on him. Right now, he got inside the boat.
I'm gonna get my monkey slapper. They knew the big monkey when they saw him with his carbon fiber paddle, or better known as a monkey slapper.
Just make sure he doesn't get inside here. Don't get any closer. He just got more in. This looks dangerous. It's crazy. If he was able to get in this hole, he was able to get on a sugar scoop as well. What kind of hole this is?
It's a drain hole.
How far he can go.
But he can't get anywhere else inside. All the holes are sealed on a boat, either with a valve or a tube or a bilge pump. Every single hose goes to a pump. Pump has a vein, so he can't get past the hole. So he's actually better there than anywhere else.
Yeah, but what if he gets out and then he crawls in?
He can't get up there.
He was on the side of our boat and he crawled inside the hole like this, vertically. He can very easily do that as well. All right, if you want to leave him there.
He's not going to stay long. He's going to find out there's no food or anything. So last night at 2 in the morning, Yana wakes me up and says there's somebody on our dinghy. First night, like in a year, that I left the dinghy behind the boat. So I get up, get the flashlight, sneak outside. I look out, I don't see anything. It's 2 in the morning. So a little propulsion piston motor got mistaken for thief.
It could have been that I was scared at night. Can we talk about the snake? It's a sea snake, probably. And we were just cleaning the boat. I am not getting in that water. There is a reason why I don't like water, because of creatures like this. And today, guys, we are going to Bang San family.
Who is Ban San? This incredible man is a true legend, having trained his monkey to gather coconuts, a skill from an ancient trade that's nearly disappeared. In a previous episode, we had the rare opportunity to join him, his monkey, in the jungle to collect fresh coconuts, an unforgettable experience. Quite amazing that they came and found us with the truck, said, please come eat with us tomorrow. So this will be another experience.
Bye, snake. Look at us. We are dressed up for success today. I have my glasses on, my white shirt, my belt. William is also slightly shaved, has his nice shirt on.
You can tell my wife hasn't worn a belt in a while is because she has it upside down. But she missed a belt hoop in the back. Look at this.
The details are not important.
Oh, so much nicer.
Today we need speed. 10:51 and we should be there at 11. But we bought some gift for the family. Bang San and his family live on the other side of the island in the town area, like a very busy part of the island where the 7-Eleven is, the only one on this island, but they live a little bit on the side, more towards the jungle, of course, because he has to go every day and like coconuts. Surika. Hello. Surika. Hello. Bang San's son is here. Wow. He's still going.
I think that these people have a special with animals. The monkeys get the coconuts, the birds listen to the beat, snapping the fingers. We can learn something here.
And then he kept going. Like, that's so cool.
I just noticed the hammock over here is cut out of fabric and tied by hand, like fishing nets. This is a cloth hammock. Like everything in this island, it's all outside stuff. You don't go inside to do your work in welding, you bring the work to the outside. We are so spoiled that we think we have to have air, electricity, running water. What a waste of a lot of resources when you can just use what's given to you. They have a little store here of snack and goods. Then they're cooking right outside with a big pot and gas. Me, 67.
And me, 3.
We are in a very family neighborhood where different relatives, I don't know whether they're brothers or cousins, coming over, wanting to speak so bad, and I want to speak so bad. We're doing pictures and sign language, which I think he said he wants me to stay here and go to work. Maybe he said, we're not going to let you leave here and you're going to go to work.
Do you need help? Yes. No, you sure? Did you catch it yourself?
Yes.
How long is it to take to fish?
3 hours.
You caught it today morning?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you just go by yourself or with your wife? Or?
Yeah. Papa,
What is it?
aromatics fish.
Wow, fresh crabs, little octopus feet and calamari, and then fried fish.
Pasai.
Pasai.
Yeah.
Nice.
With the garlic and black pepper.
Spicy?
No, not spicy.
Beautiful.
Jasmine, right? From Yao Noi Island.
Oh, you grow here?
Yes, from Yao Noi Island. Sure. Local.
They didn't cook all of this for you to eat little. There is something in this big pot. Oh wow, so steamed fish.
Yes, steamed fish.
Okay.
Top of that.
So fancy.
Everything not spicy.
No spicy?
This fried fish is very good. Ah, okay. Kapag ka. Very good. We're trying everything. Thank you.
How about your food?
Beautiful, amazing, amazing, very good. How's the crab?
Excellent.
So this is black because of the ink, right? This is real ink from the
Calamari.
well, yeah, calamari. Yep.
Squid.
This is very good too. Yeah. We just ate enough for 10 people, and now dessert and Thai tea comes.
If I eat like this each day, I would be like fried banana. Sweet.
Very good.
Yeah, there you go.
Our first Thai homemade meal. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Very, very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna go sleep.
We were about to leave Bangsan family and we see this scorpion on the road. Dead scorpion.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, that was out of this world meal. Crab and fish, 3 times of fish, fried bananas, and top it off with a Thai tea for us to leave. They cooked a feast for us. We ate until we couldn't move. Food was so succulent because it's gone right this morning from the ocean to the table. We were treated like royalty. Very strange to be waited upon because I don't know, we're not different. But then again, we're very different. It was a very small community, family, children, all playing in the street, all knowing each other. And here these 2 traveling vagabonds are sitting there eating. So it was a very, very nice gesture. You find someone strange like this, it just goes back and forth. I feel like we've gotten to experience a little bit of real Thailand with real, genuine Thai people.
I'm always very shy in this kind of circumstances. William immediately makes all kinds of friends with everybody. For me, to go on a place like that and interact with strangers is very uncommon situation. The family was so welcoming. You know, they were just so kind. They prepared this huge meal just for us and invited us out of their generosity. It was just so beautiful. I am really grateful for experiences like this.
And thank you. Shout out to Bangsan
And his family. It was awesome.
The children, the little community. We hope that we brought you a little bit of us, and you definitely have given us a little bit of you.
There are 2 little boys fishing by our dinghy. Hello.
A local guy just came up, a fishing man, and said, might want to anchor the boat somewhere because this mooring ball had a sailboat on it not too long ago. It broke and the sailboat was back in the rock. You might be better off using your anchor.
Yeah, we've been at this mooring ball for the last couple of days. It's been nice and refreshing. But now we're about to have a couple of storms potentially, so we probably should re-anchor.
And I'm going to actually consult with the snake and see what he has to say.
Hello, Mr. Snake, where are you? Are you still there or are you already on the boat? He doesn't say anything. Well, you don't see him because he's inside. Careful, don't hurt your head.
Yana went ashore, left me to deal with this snake. I'm gonna see if I can flush him out. He went into the outlet of bilge pump, so I guess I've got to put a little water in the port side engine, flip on the bilge pump and see if Mr. Snake comes out. Good news is the snake didn't come out. Bad news that I don't want to talk about, where did the snake go? I've got a feeling that it came from ashore and it was very tired, crawled in the hole, rested up a little bit, and then went back home. I think that's the story I'm gonna stick with.